Hello friends, Be here with a video for lalalandcrafts, and today we're gonna be making a really fun car. It's gonna be a slimline car, and we're gonna be using Marci with a pinwheel. And here she is. Oh, she's so cute. I love how she turned out. And here is a list of all the colors that I used. You can take a screenshot now. For now, we're gonna be putting Marci aside, and here I have a piece of white cardstock, which is gonna be my car base where we're gonna decorate everything. And I'm gonna be using this stencil, which is the mountains stencil. It brings a couple of mountain stencils, and I'm gonna be using this one right here. And then I'm gonna be using a twisted citron and Mowed lawn and rustic wilderness to create an effect of many mountains from the back mountains all the way to the front. I am gonna go ahead and speed through this part, and I'll see you at the end. Then here I have a heel that I made with the double stitch heels border die, and all I'm doing here is inking with some rustic wilderness and Mowed lawn. First I'm going with Mowed lawn, and then I'm gonna come in with the rustic wilderness to give it a little bit of darkness and depth and more of texture to this piece. And here I have my heel, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna position it in a way that my mountains can still be seen. And all I'm gonna do is add some glue this down, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess. Then for this part, I wanted some clouds in the background, and I have made my own stencil with the Stitch Clouds border die. And I am gonna go ahead and put my mountains here from the mountain stencil, so I don't mess up my mountains with the inks that I'm gonna be using for the clouds. I am using tumbled glass and saltwater taffy, and I'm intercalating between the blue and the pink. Before we glue down our image and all our elements, I'm gonna go ahead and glue down my car, and I have chosen that peach color. I love it so much. Here I'm adding Marci, and I have used foam tape for her. And here I'm adding some clouds that I have cut with the 3 clouds die. And here is my sentiment, and I have cut it out with this scallop sentiment labels die. It's one of my favorite dies. I use it for absolutely everything. And then with my white Sharpie, I came in and added some little flowers to the heels. And here's how my car turned out. I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to join the LalalandCrafts group on Facebook, and I will see you next time.